Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring whether sustainable living will really take over the property market in 2025. The property market is on the cusp of a significant transformation as concerns about climate change and environmental sustainability continue to grow. The way we think about and interact with our built environment is evolving rapidly. Sustainable living is no longer just a buzzword or a niche interest, it's becoming a mainstream priority. Traditional property practices have long been criticised for their environmental impact. From the construction process to energy consumption and waste management, the industry has historically lagged behind in adopting sustainable practices. The extraction and processing of building materials, for instance, can have devastating effects on ecosystems, not to mention the energy used to power homes and buildings contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. These environmental concerns are driving a shift in how we approach property. Buyers and investors alike are increasingly factoring in sustainability when making decisions. This isn't just about doing good for the planet, it's also about long-term cost savings and resilience. Properties that are energy efficient and built with sustainable materials are not only better for the environment, but they also tend to appreciate in value over time. The question is, can the property industry adapt quickly enough to meet the growing demand for sustainable living? The challenges are significant, from retrofitting existing buildings to ensuring that new constructions meet high sustainability standards. However, the momentum is building, with more stakeholders than ever before pushing for change. As we look at the future of property, it's clear that sustainable living is playing a bigger role. Eco-friendly materials are becoming more mainstream, from recycled materials to sustainably sourced wood. Energy efficiency is also a major focus, with solar panels, green roofs and smart home technologies becoming more prevalent. And it's not just about individual homes, community initiatives are also on the rise, from eco-friendly neighbourhoods to large-scale sustainable development projects. There's a growing recognition that sustainability is a collective responsibility. One of the most exciting aspects of this shift in the innovation that's driving it, new technologies and materials are emerging all the time, making it easier and more cost-effective to build sustainably. For example, some companies are using 3D printing to create homes from recycled materials, significantly reducing waste and energy consumption. Others are developing smart building materials that can adapt to environmental conditions, further reducing the need for energy-intensive heating and cooling systems. A pivotal moment in this shift was the completion of the first entirely sustainable community in a major city. This project has not only showcased the possibility of large-scale sustainable development, but also demonstrated its viability and appeal. Residents were involved in every step of the process, from design to construction, ensuring that the community truly met their needs while minimising its environmental footprint. The success of projects like this sustainable community serves as a powerful example of what's possible. It shows that with collaboration, innovation and a commitment to sustainability, we can create a property market that's not only environmentally friendly but also desirable and economically viable. In summary, the rise of sustainable living in property is more than just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about and interact with our built environment. As we look to the future, it's clear that sustainable practices will play a critical role in shaping the industry. So what do you think about the future of sustainable living in property? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more content like this, check out our video on 10 simple ways to make your home more sustainable. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more insights into the future of our planet. If you are interested in anything you've heard or seen on this video, don't hesitate to contact me, that's Alan at Alpus Group, on 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539141257, or the landline 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me on calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.